Hello, Demon Machine here. Going to show you how to take this cover in this air box so we can get down to the spark plugs on this 2017 Audi Q7 3-liter supercharged. First off, there's these little clips. You'd pull them to the sides. I already did that, but you just unclip them as such. And then lift the cover off, and then it unhooks from the back. Like that. Little wiggling. But there's little teeth in the back. So don't pull on the back, or you'll just break them. So put that down over there. Then, to get the rest of this off, unclamp this clamp, or unscrew this clamp, unplug this hose. There's a little hose that goes all the way down. This one is a drain, it can stay on there. Then you can disconnect this little tab, push in the little tab, and then lift up, and it'll disconnect the whole thing. And then you just gotta basically pull these out. It's got little clips on the side here, and on the side there. And so you just squeeze them in and pull it out, and then, ta-da! You have the whole thing loose. Obviously I already did it, so that way I made sure I did it correctly. And then we're gonna get down there to the spark plugs and get those out. So I'll give you a little summary of those once I get there. Alright, so to get the coil things off, you need a T20 Torx to get these two Torx out. Then you get those out. I like to take a pick tool, get under here like so, lift the clip, have yet to break one like that, lift the clip and then push, and then you'll get these three back. You'll be able to get these two coils out. For this final coil, you gotta loosen up the bottle at these two bolts right here, and it's just gotta move a little bit. Like, you don't even have to take anything else off. It's just like, that's enough. You can wiggle it out. And then you get down there with your spark plug socket and take out your plugs, put in the new ones, and you're golden. So we're doing this one, it's got 60-something thousand miles on it, and it's just due for plugs. So we're doing maintenance. I hope this has helped, and stay tuned for more.